Introducing the Ocala Depth Monitor, an innovative device that has revolutionized excavation procedures. This new system incorporates the latest computer technology and the most accurate state-of-the-art design and allows you to work faster with greater accuracy than ever before. The Depth Monitor from Ocala Instruments and Research dramatically increases the productivity of all sizes of excavators. The Ocala Depth Monitor lets you accomplish more work in less time at an impressively reduced cost. The greatest advantage of the Depth Monitor is that it displays an easily viewed, highly accurate readout right in the cab, giving legible information on depth, slope, and material left to dig, even in low light situations. The Depth Monitor substantially reduces the need for surveyors, instrument men, or other operator assistance or special supervision. This results in lower wage costs, greater safety, and fewer interruptions during the excavating process. How does the Ocala Depth Monitor increase your efficiency and improve your performance? In most jobs, excavators have to dig to grade. Trenches, foundations and basements, swimming pools, ditches, and retention ponds. All these jobs call for exact grade. Why guess the grade or rely on an assistant or instrument man to measure the depth when you can see it in the comfort of your cab without wasting time? The Depth Monitor eliminates the need for this additional job, which is especially dangerous near deep excavations and in bad weather conditions. And it delivers precise excavation every time. You will save time and filling material, improve working conditions, and most important, you will never have to redo a job. The Ocala Depth Monitor is currently installed on equipment in countries around the world, proving itself on the job, meeting the demand for high-quality performance in a wide variety of excavation challenges at low cost. Here in the United States, as in the rest of the world, the need for this kind of technology has been proven. Users of the Depth Monitor are quick to point out the advantages.
It is good for digging underwater.
Yeah.
It saved us a tremendous amount of time, money. Yeah. With this device, we don't need instrument man, somebody in the hole holding up a grade rod, shooting grade continuously. We set it on the machine, just the operator and the pan. The truck, they do it all by themselves. Saves the operator time. He can keep moving. He's got everything right there in the cab with him. It just saves a lot of money, and this way we don't have to go back into the bottom of a wet hole that's overdug or underdug and try to dry it up to redo it.
The Ocala Depth Monitor is not only easy to install, it is easy to use. Installation can be accomplished with minimal time, tools, and labor. It is a rugged unit designed to perform with great accuracy with most excavator attachments, such as different buckets or hydraulic breakers. The Depth Monitor works with modern electronics. It consists of a control unit, a cable set with power box in the cab, and 2 sensors, which send information about the position of the boom and stick into the computer. An operator can very quickly master its use. The operator gets a continuous, accurate readout of the depth. He can key in an alarm depth and the proper slope and move the excavator without losing the reference.
On the 322 excavator, you're only off a ½ inch.
Yeah.
You know, and as the boom and the stick, as the stick gets smaller, you're more accurate.
Yeah.
So yeah, it would be, you know, you could get it with 1/10 of an inch. You know, so it'd be a tremendous tool there.
Right.
You can check the accuracy at any time by comparing the reading of a measuring tape and the reading on the display. The display will show the depth or height of the bucket to the fraction of an inch. Of course, the depth will be shown accurately in any position of the stick. The excavator is one of the most productive machines today, and the Depth Monitor increases its performance and efficiency to unprecedented heights. The primary function of the Depth Monitor is to check the depth of excavation, but it is also programmable for digging slopes up to 45 degrees with complete accuracy. Leveling the terrain around the excavator is one of the most useful applications. With just one reference point, the rest of the terrain around the excavator can be brought to the level. The depth monitor works well with existing laser equipment. The laser will give the reference, and the depth monitor takes over from there. In harsh or inaccessible environments, underwater or low light situations, the monitor can be used to measure the depth of excavation. Deepening of harbors and excavation of retention ponds and other places where water is present is easily done to grade with the depth monitor.
You can see in the background we're doing a retention pond now. If you notice the material coming out of the bucket, we are working underwater.
Yes.
And by working underwater, it's harder to control your grade because you don't know what depth you're at.
Yes.
And if you've ever had to go into a pond where you've made a mistake through someone's error in calculations and had to go back, it's very expensive.
The Ocala depth monitor is so rugged it will easily take the beating from a hydraulic hammer, and that's one of the most productivity increasing applications. You break exactly to grade, avoiding costly rework and time loss of breaking too much rock. The Ocala depth monitor will fit any excavator, old or new, and it is so easy to use that you'll be up and going in a matter of minutes. You can rely on the Ocala depth monitor for ease of operation, maximum efficiency, accurate performance, cost reduction, and guaranteed reliability and functionality. The Ocala depth monitor will pay for itself in wage savings alone in less than 50 hours and will be your partner on the job, whatever the conditions. Please contact your equipment dealer or call for further information.